Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Nest Hub. It just got released to Canada. And you guys want to see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay,
Here you go.
so let's see how to open this thing. It looks like a slide off through the back. So first off the bat, we got a little monitor up here, like an iPad. So let's take it out first. Oh, and it got the back chunk all the way through the back. Okay, let's see what's under here. Okay, so we got some instructions how to get started and stuff. We'll put that right there for now. Okay, we got a cord. Looks like a normal Google Home Mini cord for the other Google Homes. Nope, that looks like it's it. Okay, so let's check out this.
Yeah, let's go, dude.
It looks like it's a nice little monitor and got some plastic on the front. We'll take that off later. It's got a microphone switch, on and off. It's got a big speaker on the back. Does this look cool to you guys so far?
Yeah.
Do you want to get it hooked up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try and get it hooked up. Looks like we have this on already. Google.
Hey, dude.
Let's get started. Connect the power to the adapter on the Google Home Nest Hub. Download the app on the Google Home app. Just say hello, Google. So now let's see what it does.
Google.
So it is a touch screen. It's telling us how to get started now. Get started, we have to get the app, and then we're going to set it up to the Wi-Fi and everything like that.
Got it.
Okay. It is up. Set up. Following the instructions on the Google Home.
Sure.
Now we are connecting up to the Wi-Fi. So on the back, we have a microphone switch up at the top here. And on the side here, we have an on and off switch, I think, that we can help us turn it off and on. So,
Okay, well, here you
anything
go.
else about it? How can I help? So this connects to all the Googles, and we can use it to turn on music. Right now it's on kitchen display. So
Isn't that the same?
Well, now
it's at 88. As
90.
a Google.
No, it has actually, it's way different. You can play YouTube videos, all sorts of stuff, and it has a
100.
big speaker on the back. So we just hit 100% on our update. Now we are just waiting for it to finish. It displays everything for us. Everything we search on the Google Home Mini app right now. So it's turning on. Update has been completed. Let's see what it does. 0%. Now it's just load every Google Home Mini. The thermostats, music, we have a doorbell, and we can see it on here. So whenever someone comes in, we will see it on here. It'll pop up with a notification saying someone is at your door.
Oh, so better when we're alone.
So we are at 50%. So what do you guys think of this?
It's pretty cool. Yeah.
What do you like about it?
I like that you can see people in the nest, so it's not creepy when you open the door.
Okay, looks like we have completed our loading. Now Google is setting up. We are in.
You're in our iPad.
So Google.
That sounds positive, though.
So now it just has to go through all the loading process. Almost done. Finish setup in the Google Home app. You get to know your device. Finish setup.
Welcome to your Google Nest Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in,
Hi, how can I help?
so you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning," where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos, and explore. Read for home view,
A Chromecast
where
here
you can
too.
see
We
the
can
status
control
of
our
your
TV.
home, view devices in each room,
We can
and
broadcast.
adjust the lights, pause the TV, and control your music. Or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display.
So I was actually
Turn
wrong.
off
That
the
is the
mics.
volume
Simply
button
slide
back
the
there.
mic.
So
What's
all your
this?
pictures will be displayed.
It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room. so photos on Hub blend in with your home.
So if it is
And
dark,
when it's time for bed,
this will look
Hub
like
knows
it's
to
dark.
dim for a good night's sleep.
it will turn off whenever you want it to. You
Remember,
can set a time.
If you ever want to learn...
Here we go. So we have it. Whoa. So right now, it has everything, all of our practices up here first. Oh. So it changed the lighting already. If you slide to the bottom like this, you can see all of our routines. The temperature is set to 22 degrees. Ryland's practice, 5:30 p.m. tonight. 6 p.m. Maddox has a soccer game at the Westfield. And then you can scroll through all of our feeds. It looks like we've been searching up Kawhi Leonard, NBA Finals, you know what I mean. Our Spotify, all of you been listening to. And we got my dad on one of those. We got YouTube, all of the YouTube videos. We have, you can make a video call, so you can call anything on here. I want to make dessert. You can do anything on here you would like. You can explore let's see, what can you do?
Hey Google.
What can you do?
I have lots of powers and they're growing every day.
So we can set an alarm, so find some food, we can have fun.
Oh boy.
You want to see? Let's have some fun. Let's see what this Google can do. Give me a compliment.
If I had a wallet, I'd carry a picture of you in it. But I don't even have pants.
Let's do some random fun.
Okay, I spun the wheel of fun for a suggestion, and it looks like a fortune is coming your way. An opportunity will present itself if you pay attention.
So, what do you guys think of this? Is this a cool app you would like?
Yeah.
Yeah. It has, you can switch pictures. Anything else you want to know about it? You got your sound volume. You can turn it up and down, up and down. And we have the side buttons, which is volume up.
Do you think it's something
Down.
that we'll use?
We'll probably use this a lot. And then we have microphone off, right on the back. And it's very good sound quality. It's like all the other Googles, but way louder because the speaker is so much bigger. And the volume goes up and down by the ear. So overall, I think this is an amazing piece of technology here. How you can use voice chat, video calls, anything like that. You can see all your notifications pop up on the side. If you pull down, they're all here. If you pull up, there's that.